Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how you're losing money. If you don't know this about Amazon targeting, let's get into it. What's the difference between exact, phrase, and broad targeting on Amazon? The answer is more important than many advertisers realize because these three match types control how your ads are triggered and how your budget is spent. Exact match is the most precise. If the keyword is artisan soap, the ad will only show when someone searches that exact term, with no extra words added. It's the tightest form of targeting, giving the clearest picture of performance. Phrase match is more flexible. The phrase artisan soap must stay together in the same order, but words can appear before or after. A search like artisan soap for holidays would trigger the ad, but soap for artisan baskets would not, because the phrase is broken. Broad match is the widest. As long as the words artisan and soap appear somewhere in the search in any order, the ad can trigger. That means soap for artisan baskets would match, even though it's not the same as the original keyword. Here are a few examples using artisan soap. If a shopper types artisan soap, it matches all three types. If they type artisan soap for holidays, it matches phrase and broad, but not exact. If they type soap for artisan baskets, it only matches broad. But searches like artisan roses or soap for art fairs won't match any of them. This shows why managing targeting types carefully is essential. Putting exact, phrase, and broad all into one campaign usually causes confusion. Search terms overlap, performance gets muddy, and costs often rise. A better approach is to separate them. Exact match campaigns give precise data on specific keywords. Phrase match campaigns capture variations while keeping structure intact. Broad match campaigns are useful for discovery, but they require monitoring to cut out irrelevant terms. Broad targeting especially can be unpredictable. It sometimes reveals new profitable keywords that can later be moved to exact campaigns, but it can also waste spend on unrelated searches if left unchecked. Regularly reviewing search terms and applying negatives is necessary to keep costs under control. In simple terms, exact is for precision, phrase is for controlled flexibility, and broad is for exploration. By keeping them separate and managing each one properly, advertisers gain better insights, reduce wasted ad spend, and achieve stronger results. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.